Do you want to change your Apple Watch face to digital time? You want to switch from maybe whatever watch face you have here, maybe your photo or analog time to digital time? Then this video is going to walk you through how to change Apple Watch face to digital time. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is make sure you return from whatever you have on your Apple Watch and go back to the watch face. Now, while on your Apple Watch face, press and hold the Apple Watch screen and then swipe left. You're gonna see where you can easily add new. Then click on the plus button. Once you selected the plus button, you're gonna see new watch face. Swipe down. This is activity analog, and here you can see you have activity digital. Then this is astronomy. Just keep scrolling until where you see your digital clock. So here you can add the flux as your digital clock on your Apple Watch. Scroll down again and see whether you're going to have access to other digital clock on your Apple Watch. Then you can add the emoji that has the digital clock. Then scroll down again, keep scrolling. Now preferably, I always prefer to use the numerical duo. So if you want to use numerical duo, it's also going to show you the digital clock instead of analog. And you can also use numerical mono. Then here there is also photo access. Now scroll to numerical duo and then click on add. Once you hit that add button, you're gonna see Arabic, Western. Then you can just use the digital to change the digital clock to your choice. So I prefer this. Then click on it by pressing the digital crown to select it. And then press digital crown once again. And then this is what you're going to have as your Apple Watch digital time. So that is basically how to change Apple Watch face to digital time. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.